Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 30th March 2025. Title of Murli. Now show your Avyakt form, equal to that of Father Brahma, in your behavior and on your face. Become an image that grants visions. Bap Dada said, "No one else in the whole cycle can have such elevated fortune as you Brahman children. No one else can have such special attainments through three relationships in one, i.e. Father, Teacher and Sadguru. So do you have so much intoxication? If Maya's puppet show comes in front of you, do you not have any worries? These few things that come, they come for the future, to make you experienced, mature." Further Baba said, "You just sit comfortably on the witness seat and keep watching this puppet show. Do not panic. Because this is a paper tiger. Although everything in the drama is to happen suddenly, but in order to prepare yourself, you definitely have to have a name, that is, you should fix a date in your mind to bring the drama into practice. Because without a name, carelessness comes in becoming complete. In any case, see, you get success only when you fix a date for a program, do you not?" Finally Baba said, "Children not only have knowledge in their memory but also intoxication and faith, but now addition is required, that is, all these things should be visible on your face and behavior. At least 108 beads of the rosary should be ready. Right now the speed of time is increasing, you also speed up a bit. The Creator should be fast, not the creation." Blessing for today. May you be a special server and reveal the Father with your balance of humility and authority. Details are: when there is a balance, wonders are visible. When you give anyone the Father's introduction with a balance of humility and authority, wonders will be visible. You have to glorify the Father in this way. Let your words be clear and filled with love, humility and sweetness, as well as with greatness and truth, and revelation will then take place. In between speaking, continue to give them experiences through which they will feel themselves to be lost in love. Those who serve in this way are special servers. Slogan is, even if you have no facilities at a time of need, do not let there be any obstacles in your spiritual endeavor. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. Some children think that to become angry is not a vice. They think that it is a weapon and not a vice. However, anger is a very great enemy of an enlightened soul. Your anger is revealed when you come into contact or make a connection with other souls. When your anger is seen, the Father's name is very much defamed. Those who gossip would sarcastically say, "We have now seen enlightened souls. Therefore, now finish all traces of anger. Interact with others with very good manners.